In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Pep Boys oil change discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Pep Boys oil change discount promo code. Go to this website, which is called Coupon Follow, and right here, as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. If you want to get this phone with a 10% discount, simply select this button where it says show coupon code. And this is a promo code right here that you can copy, and you can apply this promo code on your next order so that you can get a 10% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Retail Me Not, and here we have a list with other promo codes that we can use to get some benefits. So let's say, for example, right here that you want to get this phone with a 10% discount of your next oil change. All you need to do is just select the button where it says Get Deal, and there is no code required. You can tap right here where it says Shop at Pep Boys, and you'll be redirected to their website where the discount will be applied automatically. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.